and this is my video. Today I'm going to tell you how I made my two different slime. Meet the Santa and Elf slime. And meet the Christmas tree slime. So these two are slightly the same, but this one is not that sticky. I meant squishy, and this one is just really squishy. This one's sticky too. So is this one. And we got someone else. You've got we got this unicorn magic putty. Here he is. These two are slightly the same, but they're not like this. I'm going to do something else to do this. And once me and Daddy were making slime, it was made out of PVA glue, food colouring, and babies squirt up their nose, but it didn't work. It really didn't work. And it really didn't work. It was still running, and the next day it was still running, so it didn't work. So I made some slime because I'm fab. And I am gonna show you what my slime and how I made it, but I don't know how they made this. I can't tell you how they made this because I don't know what this is made out. So we're going to say bye-bye. This is warm. So these two, I'm going to start with Santa slime. Santa and Elf slime. So I made this with flour, water, food colouring, mixed it up, put some flour in, mixed it up, put some flour in, mixed it up. Then it turned into this, which is not that bad. I can't stop playing with this. It's so nice and it's so cool. Oh! No, that one didn't have a lot of water. This one had a lot of water, but not too much. This one didn't have too much water in. And I done it with flour, which is a bit the same as that.
I've lost it.
Some flour, then some water, but it was not a lot, but it was too much. So it put it. Have too much water, which is not that bad. And sorry about that. That was my mommy. She recorded me too. So I made this with flour, normal flour, baking flour, okay. Baking flour, not a lot of water, but I think this one had not too much water. Then the next one I had food colouring, but there was a bit of a lot in there. There was a bit a lot in there. In there. So I put in some flour on it. So I mixed it up. Then it turned into this, which is so sticky. But I can't forget I done this, because when you're doing this, it makes it not that sticky. The same with this, it went like that, so it's not that sticky. Anyway, these are actually stretchy, but I don't know if it bounces though. Right. If you've seen my 2 videos, please can you tap on it? And I want loads of people to like my videos. Anyway, it's not the end of it. I'm just telling you what to do. And on Dr. Squish, I love her. She's a fab. And I'm gonna be on YouTube after I done my video. And I still can't stop playing with the slime. This slime is my best. And this one. Oh, this one's the bestest.
Enough now.
Squish. Squish it. Squish. Bye, I hope you enjoyed my video. And please put the thumbs up on here. And I want loads of people to like it. And please, if you're on YouTube, please find my videos and put a thumbs up.
Bum up.
Mommy said bum up. Mommy said bum up. And can you put thumbs up? And look at what this does when you like squeeze it on. When you squeeze it, you can like peel it off. And just want to say, if you see my two videos, put the thumbs up, because I'm going to put myself on video now. So bye Santa, and a Merry Christmas, and it's 20 days until it's Christmas. Bye.